Welcome to American Asian Kitchen. Today we will share with you our family's broiled pork chop recipe. Let's prep the pork chops. The pork chops have been cleaned and dried. Our dry rub is a mix of McCormick Bacon Chipotle seasoning and McCormick Sweet and Smoky rub combined. We use about a half teaspoon of bacon chipotle and about a half teaspoon of sweet and smoky to rub on each side of the pork chops. Alright, let's flip the pork chops, making sure to get the seasoning around the edges. When we finish seasoning, we'll set the pork chops aside and we'll turn on the oven to broil at about 550 degrees. It'll take about 10 minutes to heat up. Let's prep the asparagus. The asparagus has been cleaned and dried. Turn on the steamer to the vegetable option and cut the bottom off the asparagus and place it into the steamer container. Steam the asparagus for about 14 minutes, mixing about halfway through to ensure that they are cooked evenly. Alright, while the asparagus is steaming, let's cook the pork chops. Place the pork chops in the oven and cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, the asparagus is done cooking. Take it out of the steamer, and now let's season it. We season the asparagus with melted butter, garlic powder, and McCormick Sea Salt. Mix the asparagus and it's ready to serve. Okay, let's check on the pork chops. Flip the pork chops after cooking for 7 minutes and then cook for another 3 minutes on the other side. Alright, it's time to taste those pork chops and asparagus. Don't they look good? We hope you give this recipe a try and leave us comments below. As always, a full recipe is included in the description. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for weekly videos. Please comment below to let us know if you want to see more American Asian cooking recipes.